Have you ever wondered what the most trafficked animal on Earth is? You might be surprised to learn that it's not the elephant or the rhinoceros, but the pangolin. These elusive creatures, covered in scales and equipped with a long, sticky tongue, are a sight to behold. They inhabit diverse habitats, ranging from the tropical forests of Asia and Africa to the grasslands and savannas, each one unique and fascinating in its own right. What makes pangolins stand out, however, is not just their peculiar appearance or their knack for curling up into a near-perfect ball when threatened. It's their unfortunate fame in the illegal wildlife trade. Their scales, believed to have medicinal properties, and their meat, considered a delicacy, make them a prime target. Despite their small size and docile nature, these creatures are in dire need of our attention and protection. But why should we care about the fate of the pangolin? The answer lies in the pangolin's role in our ecosystem. Often overlooked, these scaly mammals are nature's very own pest control. With a diet primarily comprising ants and termites, a single pangolin can consume up to 70 million insects in a year. That's a lot of bugs. By keeping these insect populations in check, pangolins help maintain the delicate balance of our ecosystems. But the pangolin's importance extends beyond ecology. In some cultures, pangolins are revered, their unique scales symbolizing protection and security. Their presence in folklore and traditional medicine has deep historical roots, and for these societies, the pangolin's decline is not just a loss of biodiversity, but a fading away of cultural heritage. The pangolin is a small but mighty creature, playing a vital role in our world's biodiversity. Let's remember, when we protect the pangolin, we are preserving not just a species, but the intricate web of life itself. Despite their importance, pangolins face numerous threats that push them towards the brink of extinction. Pangolins are in a tough spot, their existence threatened by a trifecta of human-caused dangers: habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal wildlife trade. Each of these threats is a story of its own, a tale of human activities clashing with the survival of an innocent creature. Let's start with habitat loss. As human populations grow, we encroach on pangolin territories, clearing forests for agriculture, settlements, and infrastructure. This destruction of their homes leaves pangolins with nowhere to go, threatening their very survival. Next, hunting. Pangolins are hunted for their meat, considered a delicacy in some cultures, and for their unique keratinous scales, believed to have medicinal properties. Despite the lack of scientific evidence supporting these beliefs, this demand drives ruthless hunting of these shy creatures. Last but not least, the illegal wildlife trade. Pangolins hold the dubious distinction of being the most trafficked mammal on Earth. Their scales and meat fetch high prices on the black market, making them a prime target for traffickers. This illicit trade is further fueled by lax enforcement and penalties that are often too lenient to deter criminals. Each of these threats is a stark reminder of the human impact on wildlife. We are the authors of their plight, and it's up to us to rewrite their narrative. The fate of pangolins hangs in the balance, caught in a deadly tug-of-war between human greed and the desperate need for survival. The story of the pangolin is not just about a single species. It's a story about us, about our impact on the world, and about our responsibility to protect it. This remarkable creature, the pangolin, serves as a mirror, reflecting back our actions and their consequences. They are not just another species. They are integral parts of our global ecosystem, and their decline signals a wider issue. Pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world, their scales coveted for unproven medicinal benefits, their meat considered a delicacy. Their numbers are dwindling rapidly, pushing them towards extinction. Yet there's hope. Around the globe, individuals, communities, and organizations are rising to the challenge, working tirelessly to protect pangolins from the threats they face. Conservation efforts range from habitat protection and anti-poaching initiatives to awareness campaigns and policy changes. Every effort counts, big or small. We can all play a part in this crucial mission, from supporting these initiatives to making more sustainable choices in our daily lives. It's about understanding that our actions have consequences, and that we have a shared responsibility to protect not just pangolins, but all life on our planet. The future of the pangolin, like many of our planet's creatures, rests in our hands. Together, we can write a different ending to their story.